are you Minegirl? And today we pass the Minecraft map parkour. The map is very good. I will try to read you like this map. Getting past map. Map name is Diamond Parkour. The map will be a lot of intercept and a lot of diamond. We begin to pass the map. Enjoy watching. I like this map. This map is very good. This is lava. Lava. Lava no good. I love English very much. My name is Minegirl. I love Minecraft and Minecraft map. Minecraft is my favorite game. I play Minecraft every day. Whee! Finish, 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 finish. This is end map. This map has exploit. Like it. Goodbye.